Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical guide on how to withdraw Ethereum from Exmo to your Revolut account in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this step-by-step walkthrough will help you navigate the process smoothly and securely. Whether you're cashing out for everyday spending or just experimenting, let's get started. First off, before we jump in, make sure you have a verified Exmo account and a Revolut account set up. In 2025, Revolut might have even better crypto integration, so double-check their latest features for any updates. Always prioritize security. Use two-factor authentication and keep your private keys safe. Step 1. Log into your Exmo account. Head to the dashboard and locate the Withdraw or Funds section. This is your starting point for managing your assets. Step 2. Select Ethereum from your wallet options. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, but be mindful of any minimum limits or network fees that could apply in 2025. Fees can vary based on blockchain congestion. Step 3. Now, for the key part, input your Revolut Ethereum address. If Revolut doesn't support direct deposits by then, you might need to withdraw to a personal wallet first and then transfer. Pro tip. Use the Ethereum network for faster transactions, but confirm compatibility. Step 4. Review all the details carefully. Double-check the address, amount, and fees to avoid any costly mistakes. Once you're confident, hit confirm and wait for the transaction to process. It could take a few minutes to an hour. Step 5. After initiating the withdrawal, keep an eye on your Exmo dashboard and the Blockchain Explorer for confirmation. Once it's done, head over to your Revolut app. Step 6. In Revolut, navigate to your crypto section and verify that your Ethereum has arrived. If everything checks out, you're all set. Wrapping this up, remember that crypto involves risks like volatility and potential hacks, so stay vigilant. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 tech guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.